Earlier this year, INEOS sponsored 81-year-old Mavis Patterson as she completed a record-breaking cycle from Land's End to John O'Groats in just 24 days. On September the 7th, the Tour of Britain race kicked off, and Team INEOS invited Mavis to come down and meet them, and maybe pass on a few words of wisdom.
So it's been a beautiful day because we've had some ghastly weather here, and I was praying for a lovely sunny day, and it came. And I also had the pleasure of meeting some of the INEOS team, which was exceptionally nice for me. And some of them were saying, "I'm very impressed with you doing Land's End to John O'Groats." But anyway, it was lovely to see them all, and the team did exceptionally well. I mean, they were in there among the first 10 or 20, something like that, but it was just lovely. I was following, there was a big screen in the town, and we could follow the whole race. It was wonderful because I know all that country. I live, and that's where I've cycled. When I was training, I would cycle out there. So it was lovely to see them on the roads that I've been on. And it was just a wonderful day.
After INEOS acquired OGC Nice, it is excited to announce that it is investing in the local community. For every goal the team score over the season, they will donate €200 to the OGC Nice Endowment Fund. This fund directly supports the Enfants sans douleur programme launched in 2005, which aims to support and publicise local charities that help children suffering from debilitating illnesses.
Et ce programme soutient toutes les associations locales d'aide à l'enfance de Nice, et ça c'est quelque chose de magnifique que va permettre INEOS. Je pense que l'arrivée d'INEOS à l'OGC Nice est très positive pour le club, pour ses supporters, mais au-delà de ça, pour toute la ville de Nice.
INEOS supports the children's charity, the Daily Mile, which works with schools across the globe to help children get fit for life. In the coming weeks, the initiative expects to announce that 10,000 schools have signed up. This means nearly 2 million children across 67 countries are taking part, with 5,000 schools in England alone. A growing network of research shows the many benefits of the Daily Mile for children's physical health and well-being, their mental health and their learning. Fantastic news for the charity, and even more fantastic news for the health of children everywhere.